I'm Steve at Kersey Mobility, and I wanted to show you how to operate the Bruno Chariot external lift, capable of carrying up to 350 pounds. The first step you do is you want to release this upper ratchet. Open it up, take that off. At this time, pull down the platform. Come over here, you lift up the safety cover, turn the key, quarter turn clockwise, and you can hit the down button. That would lower the platform to the ground, allowing you to load or unload your mobility device. When it's fully resting on the ground, you can enter onto the platform and drive off, or you can enter on from the passenger side to the driver's side. With the scooter platform loaded up, you hit the up button, raises it back up, into the stowed position, ready for traveling. Prior to leaving, you have 3 ratcheting straps. You hook all 3 of these up to the mobility device for safety travels. And if you would see down here, these wheels rotate. So as you back up, the wheels will rotate, and as you go forward, they rotate to follow the car, and vice versa when they back up. So there isn't any pivoting here at the back of the car. All the pivoting is at the wheels. So you just drive it like a standard vehicle. Again, thank you for watching. This is Steve at Kersey Mobility.